All right, U.S. history students, this is the plan for Friday, May 15th. Besides the due now assignment, you don't have anything due today, and that's been the case as you were told on Wednesday. So you hopefully some of you that are behind a little bit, and I see a few of you are getting caught up. Some of you others could take the time to get caught up or get back to where you were. Some uh, students here were in the 90 percentile comfortably, and you've slipped a bit. So here's a chance to get caught up. All right. So first, do the due now assignment. That's due today. And then second, the only thing you have until Tuesday, May 19th, is the Triumphs of a Crusade assignment. That involves a little bit of reading and a little bit of film. That's it. It's not shouldn't take you very long. So good chance for you to get caught up or to do some extra credit. That's what we got. Have a great weekend.